I love baking cookies for Christmas. Get my grandchildren involved. My children used to get involved. And I used to make cookies when I was a little girl and hang them on my tree, my edible Christmas tree. So I love these chocolate stars, very easy. And when I bake them, I make a little hole with a straw so I can have a place to hang them. And then I decorate them with royal icing. Royal icing is egg white, meringue, with powdered sugar. So you whip the meringue until it's nice and stiff, and then you put the powdered sugar, and voila, you have an icing. So you let it dry for a while, and then I like to hang my star on the tree and eat it after Christmas, of course, just like that, just like my childhood. On my edible Christmas tree as a child, we used to hang caramelle, which is candies in nice wrappers, or chocolate, and we would choose the colorful one, get a little bit of this twist tie, and or a ribbon, and just tighten them tight, just like that, around the wrapper. Make a nice little hook, just like that's it. And hang it right on the tree, just like that. And that looked beautiful. On my edible Christmas tree, we would also hang fruits. Fruits like tangerines are in season around Christmas time, and we would put just a string, tie it up with a string just like that, all around like a package, and then make a little hook and have that hang right on the tree. Just like that. We would also do little apples, just like that. Catch them by their stem, tighten with a little bit either a string or this is a little twister here. And let's see, where do I put it? Maybe right here. There's one. And there it is. And this was fruit, chocolates, cookies, my childhood edible Christmas tree.